Let's say for instance you want to highlight this particular cell here, and then you select the color like this, and then you highlight it, and you want to copy the format of this particular cell. You go format printer and you select that. But this is very tedious. You have to have 2 clicks before you get it. Another way to get around this would be to double click the format painter like this. This will lock the format painter, and now you can click as many cells as you like. With a single click you will highlight the cell. But this format painter does not work too well with numeric values. Like for example, if I click on this number here, you can see I use my PCS or pieces. kg doesn't work as well, and dollar doesn't work at all. The way to get around this, let me press escape to get out of the format painter lock. The way to get around this would be to select a particular cell, say for example this guy here, and I'm going to highlight it with, say, another new color, say yellow. When you select a new cell, you press F4 like this. It will copy the last action that you perform, and at this point you can see that the integrity or the format of the cell is still preserved. And this also works on text as well.